So I have just received the email that says that my rendering is done. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve your renders from the render gallery and insert them onto a project sheet. So I'm going to go to render gallery here. And I'm logged in once again to my with my school email. And so all the renderings that I've created will be here. And so if I hit view project, then you can see here, one's already going, but I still have this one that's should be ready. And you can see here, it does look really, really good. So I'm going to hit this download button. And I've got several different backgrounds and file types that I can use. It doesn't really matter to me. I mean, TIFFs are preferred. I'm going to go ahead and download it as a TIFF, and I want to have this as a transparent background because that's going to save me a step when we get to a later video. So we'll go ahead with transparent background, and I'm going to save that as a TIFF, and I will go ahead and download it and pause once we're ready for the next step. So now that I've got this file from the render gallery downloaded, I'm going to show you how to place this onto a sheet. So I'm going to just quickly create a new sheet. And we're going to call this one renders. You can say renders or renderings. I've heard people say both. So I'm going to hit the insert button and we'll go ahead and place an image in here. And it's going to just let you browse through the image. I'm going to start by putting in the one that we created within Revit. We'll put it right here. And then I'm going to insert the one from the cloud. And see how nice and big it is. But I can just grab these grips and make it smaller. And I can align them just like I would with anything else. And that's how you place renders or renderings on sheets. And again, I'll just take a couple minutes to align them just so that they look really good. And we could even make them smaller and we could bring in the other rendering. That's pretty easy. This is also the same way that you bring a logo onto your sheet if you want to. You can just double click on the page or the sheet and open up the family, and you could put a logo right there in the exact same way and just kind of make it a little bit smaller. And that's how you do that. So you can see here we've got a series of images, and then it's always wonderful to label so that your viewer doesn't have to think too hard about what it is that they're looking at. And I'm going to change my text size to 1/4 inch. And we can call this perspective of the workspace. And again, just a little bit of attention to detail like we've learned already by just aligning these things, and you can mess with this and make sure that everything lines up. You can scoot this up and kind of make sure that the label down here matches the label up there, which we've talked about before, but just bringing the images in from the render gallery, saving them based on the settings that you've been shown, and then also inserting them into your drawing set is a very quick and easy process. And it's wonderful to see them side by side and just be able to compare the softness and the difference. And you know, you get what you pay for with this kind of thing. And so that's why those render credits, once you surpass the free ones that are allowed with the program, it's, you know, it's a good use of money. So there you go. A beautiful set of renderings.